After completing this topic, you will be able to relate to the history of Python, describe the common features of Python, differentiate between Python 2.x and Python 3.x. In the previous topic, you learned how to install Python. Python is a popular high-level programming language. Now let's learn how it came about and try to understand what makes it so popular. According to TOIBE Programming Community Index, Python currently ranks 4th, which is pretty high up in the list. The index is calculated taking various search engine results into account. Python is being used in a number of different application areas such as web development, scientific computing, data analytics, and so on. Python supports multiple programming paradigms including imperative, procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming styles. It is also an open source language. Many developers contribute to its development. However, Rusam is the principal author. The Python community has affectionately given him the title of Benevolent Dictator for Life, or BDFL. The design philosophy of Python is summarized in a collection of 20 principles, some of which are: beautiful is better than ugly, explicit is better than implicit, simple is better than complex, complex is better than complicated, and readability counts. Here's something fun you can try. Open the command prompt and type Python to go to the Python prompt. Then type import this at the prompt. Now all the guiding principles are displayed.